What's up guys, Ashley here, and I am back with another video. And as you can see, I am here in front of my pool. Now you guys know I am an expert at all things home improvement and design, but I am no expert in my pool. If you've been following along the last couple of months, you know I've been having a time getting this pool together. So I've decided to call in the experts, Leslie's Pools, to help me close my pool for the winter. Now, if you're a non-expert like me, I'm gonna quickly walk you through all the steps you need to get help from Leslie's Pools. If you're needing help closing your pool this winter, just follow this video to check out my process. Now, signing up for an expert is as easy as 1, 2, 3. As you can see here, I am on Leslie's Pools website to show you guys just how easy it is to sign up and get an expert out to your pool to close it for the winter. Now, to get us started, we're first going to look at the premium pool closing kit that Leslie sent over for me. Now, it's important to note that you need to make sure that you put this in your pool 1 week prior to your closing appointment with Leslie. But the steps include very easy steps. You want to make sure you clean the pool out, add the chemicals that are on the list to get you ready for closing. Now, the kit may seem like a lot of work, but it's super simple to add to your pool, and luckily Leslie's will come on in after and do the rest of the work. Now it's time to bring in the experts. As you can see, Leslie's Pools has showed up to help me close my pool. They have all the expertise they need to get it done. I, of course, don't know what I'm doing, so I'm happy that they can take the reins and get my pool closed for the winter. And that wraps it up for this pool closing video. If you're needing a little help with your pool closing, don't forget to reach out to Leslie's, and thank you guys for watching. Later.